Let's head to the track now, where reigning Olympic and World Championship long jump silver medalist Wayne Pinnock has clarified recent remarks about not receiving any commendations from Jamaica for his achievements on the global stage. Speaking exclusively with TVJ Sports, the 2024 R.J. Arglina Sportsman of the Year nominee explained that his comments made during an interview at Saturday's London Diamond League meet were not directed at the Jamaican government.
I was speaking of the J3s, congratulating me on the achievement, which is I didn't. So it doesn't have anything to do with the government or JOA.
Pinnock says that despite switching allegiance to Turkey, he remains grateful to Jamaica for helping to develop his talent.
Well, honestly, just to show, my respect to everyone, to my country. They have supported me a lot throughout this journey, been there. So I just want to say, I'm taking a different route, on my career. And I feel like, I'm trying to give it my best shot. So, I just continue to be there, support. I mean, I know it's hard to lose someone that's actually, in the field, doing exceptionally well, but sometimes it really does matter on at least future, because it's really hard for us, and we train hard and we're looking for the best opportunity as possible.
Pinnock, along with Olympic discus gold medalist Roger Stoner, shot put bronze medalist Rajendra Campbell, and triple jump finalist Jaden Hibbert are switching allegiance to Turkey. Some football news now. Former reggae girl Alicia Jane